So I'm going to show you all of the gachas I got, and it is a lot. So we'll start with the Pokemon Center ones. I'm super excited to show you the Psyduck. I can't believe I got one of everything. We got Quagsire. We got Gumi. We have Slowpoke. And we have Munchlax. Look at the 5 of them together. They look so good. Let's put them on the back. Now, some small things. I did get a couple of rubber straps. I want to show those off. I did 2 Kujis for Oshinoko, and I got 2 rubber straps. I got both Ruby and Aqua, which is a really nice pair. And I did some individual ones. So, we have a small Aqua from a Gacha. We have Chigiri from a Gacha, and there was 2 Apothecary Diaries, and I did it twice. I got Mao Mao and Jinshi, so I stopped there because they're the main characters. Look how good they look though. I'm not a rubber strap collector, so I just kind of used it to kind of put a house key while I was in Japan, so I wouldn't lose it. And that collection of 0 turned to 6. So next we're going to do some Pokemon. They did have some Pokepiece ones. So we got Pikachu, and it took us a lot of tries to get Pikachu. We basically got 3 whole sets of everything except Pikachu. There was also this Rowlet. This Score Bunny. And this Milcery. These are not gachas, but we did some Mega Cat blind boxes, and these are One Piece themed. I got Zoro and Sanji, and the quality is so good that we decided to get a full set, but we have to look for it first. Look how cute they are though. Look at Zoro's 3 fish. I also did 1 sleeping Blue Lock, and I have this Chigiri sleeping in his little futon. Look how cute that is. It's actually really big too. And these aren't gachas that I did, but my friend got extra, so I decided to take some. We have some Mofusand sharks. Here's the one in a shark, a whale shark, and a hammerhead shark. Look how cute they look. Speaking of Mofusands, Mofusand actually had a Sanrio collection collab, and I did get the full set. So here is Mofusand with Hello Kitty. So cute. They look so good together. Mofusand with Pom Pom Pudding. And it has the pants. It's so cute. Mofusand with Hangudon. And I actually had a lot of the characters right away, but Hangudon was the last one for me to get. It took a lot of tries. There is Mofusand with Kuromi. Mofusand with My Melody. This one's probably my favorite one. Look how cute it is with its paw. And Mofusand with Cinema Roll. The 6 look so good together. I just love looking at them. So we also have the Sanrio Chiikawa collaboration. So here's Hachiware as Hello Kitty. We have Chiikawa as My Melody. So cute, I love them. Usagi as Pom Pom Pudding, which is fitting because Usagi's like the same color. And look, the little butt. We have Momonga as Kuromi. And we have like the chestnut character as Hangudon with a little cup of tea. Or is it a can? say apple juice maybe? I love these Sanrio collaborations. They're so good. Speaking of Sanrio, I did get 2 chocorins. So I got Pom Pom Pudding and Kuromi. And if you look at Kuromi, her eyes are red, which is a little bit disturbing. I wish they made it black, but I guess that's okay. So another collaboration that I found was this Shin-chan, Crayon-chan with Sanrio, and look how cute they are. Now, I've never really watched Shin-chan before, but this collaboration was too cute to pass up. Here is the My Melody version right here, and they're basically in the same pose, and then the Shin-chan characters are decked out in their gear. This is the Tuxedo Sam version. Basically, they're just marching. Look at that little bag. The Pom Pom Pudding version with his little snot nose. He's a very iconic character. I know his name in Korean. I don't know it in Japanese though. But he is Mingu in Korea. And finally, we have the Keroppi character. So they are both kind of falling and tripping. I wonder if this is meant to be like something about his character. So here is his little bag, and then Keroppi's head on top. Keroppi falling. It looks like there was a little paint problem right here though. I don't think that's intentional. It looks like the paint just kind of peeled off. I got this one. So this is a Cardcaptor Sakura collaboration, and I got the Pom Pom Pudding, which is the one I wanted. Look, butthole. So another Sanrio character I got are the tripping Sanrio characters. I have Kuromi crying because she fell down and she has a little band-aid on her head. And basically she was the best one, so I stopped at getting more because Kuromi was the best. I also got this Hangyodon, and it's supposed to be like a concert-going Hangyodon with like a fan. Or this is probably the one I wanted the least because there were other ones with light sticks, which was super cute, but I stopped there because I didn't want a second Hangyodon. We have a Pochako with little hearts on its back, and it's a little acrylic that goes in there, and it actually moves too. So that's really cute. This was a double from a friend from a long time ago, but it is a little kitten. I think it's My Melody, or maybe it's someone else. I can't tell. But it's a kitten version with a little acrylic that goes right there. There's this painting Hello Kitty one. And then here are some bath versions. So we have Cinnamoroll in a sauna. And he is definitely feeling the heat. I also got 3 Chiikawa ones, and these were actually in bath bombs. So I did have to get them out of the bath bombs first, so I didn't know exactly which ones I got as soon as I opened them. And I got the Usagi first, and I got 2 more, and I got Hachiwara and Chiikawa drinking their milk, which is super cute. And these are the 2 I really wanted. And I got one of every character, so I can't say no to that. And some more Chiikawa ones. I got this Usagi Sofubi. Here is an extra figure I got from a friend. It is Chiikawa with its little stick and a little beetle right here. I got 2 sleeping ones. Here's a sleeping knight, which is terrible. And I got a sleeping Chiikawa, which is adorable. And he comes out of his blanket like this. You can see his little pajamas. 2 more Chiikawa ones. I have this Usagi that's just squishing its face on the ground, and this very happy Hachiwara. I don't know why I stopped here. I should have kept going so I can get Chiikawa. Why did I stop? There's also this Hachiwara with some sushi. This is a double from a friend. And then I have 3 sleeping bag Sanrio characters. I have Pom Pom Pudding, Kuromi, and Pochako. I got a lot of Kuromi and Pochako and Pom Pom Pudding this round, which is very good because I like these 2 characters a lot. Pochako's like okay. So when I went to animate, there was a couple of gacha machines there. There was only one machine that really caught my eye, and it was the Haikyu one. So I got Hinata, and look at the quality of this. It is such a good acrylic stand, especially for a gacha. I also got Kuro from Nekoma. I got Oikawa from Alba Josai. I got Tsukishima from Karasuno. And I got my Mio twins from Inarizaki. And I just kind of kept going until I got the twins, and I stopped as soon as I did. So this concludes my gacha haul.